I thought I was already halfway up, but I'm not. I'm probably only a third of the way up. But I think it'll be worth it because this is only a little bit of a view of the city. But when we get up high up, see the people still walking there. So they're still going up, 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 up. We're going to see the snow monkeys. I shall keep going. Well, I made it. I made it. And what a view. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, wow. Yes. What a view. Could still go up there. And look, there's mother and baby here. She's moving. Oh no, what's she doing? Looking for ticks. Oh, isn't she sweet? Oh. Look at that. Oh. How sweet. There's another one up there. Wonderful. Oh, there's one here. Is she pregnant? I wonder. Maybe. Oh, there are more over there. Let's go over there. So you can go in there and feed them from inside. Yeah. Well, that's a little one. One's climbing the roof. Oh, look at the baby. That's a young one. They're gorgeous. Right. What's that one doing? Look at it. Oh. Oh. Oh, sweet. Ooh, look at this one here. Hello, monkey. You're so sweet. You're actually quite big. Big hands. There's another one there. Back to the view. Look at that view. Oh, it's gorgeous.
저기 올라오느라 힘든 게 약간 저기만 딱딱하지.
Look. They're having fun. Oh. They're monkeying around. Oh dear. So I'm taking a ride in the houseboat, what's called a houseboat. And I'm the only passenger. Which is rather nice. I've got the whole boat to myself. It's only just a 35-minute ride on the lake, I think. It's not a deep. Look at the way he does it. Ooh. That's some technique he's got. Wow. It's such a lovely day to be out on the water. Very nice. Look at that. Oh. Going back now, I think. Oh, are we? Oh, we're not. That's a big load of people. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're going back. Ah. That's so sweet. We're coming to the edge of the other end of the lake. My goodness, he's got some energy, hasn't he? Should be turning around soon. This is very pleasant. Very pleasant indeed. Ducks swimming in the pond. Is that another rock or a boat? beautiful. Oh, look at all those ducks. Oh, wow. So beautiful. Not sure what that is. Reflection of the water on the this is really fantastic. You can see the reflection of the water on the stone. Wow. Wow, I've never seen that. Huh.